Interesting. I have never seen it before, even if I'm an engineer. Those guys, they have done this machine. It's going to Germany. And this computer see here, it can use any type of network. It's connected on the internet. So if you need any help, the technician, the engineers in the factory will be helping you remotely. They are in China, you are in Germany, or you are in Australia, or you are in Africa, or you are in America. They will be helping you technically. They will put in softwares, they will help you to maintain your machines. Not only this one, most of the machines you look here around, they are connected to internet. So they will be giving you help without coming here. So it's really a step forward in technology. Don't miss this opportunity. It's a really the must one. Thank you.